morning students. This is your English fairy book. Now all of you will do this exercise, last exercise of your poem Cookies for Santa in your book. So all of you, before watching this video, just pause it for a minute, go and bring your book, open it, page number 18 you have to open. Page number 18. Now see the B exercise. Read these words. Now adding dis and un help us to make opposites of appeared and expected. By adding dis to appear, you can make opposite disappear, and by adding un to expect, you can make opposite of it, that is unexpected. So now students, we will learn today all these words, how to make their opposites. By adding prefixes, you can make opposites of certain words. So few examples are given that we will continue. So you will first fill it in your book and then you will write this exercise in your notebook. So today we are going to write opposites. Now first is, students, write with me. Your first word is tidy. You can do this exercise in your notebook and as well as you can fill this in your book also. Now what is the opposite of tidy? You will add un prefix to it and it will be opposite, untidy. Next is comfortable. Comfortable. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable. What are opposites, children? Opposites means which has opposite meaning. Yes, comfortable. What is the opposite? Uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. Next, in your book, next word is happy. Very easy word. Happy. How will you make opposite of it? Which prefix you will add? Un prefix you will add and it will become unhappy. You not only have to write but also you have to learn this. Next is necessary. How will you spell necessary? N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y. Necessary. Opposite is, you will add un and it will become opposite of unnecessary. N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y. Unnecessary. Next is cover. C-O-V-E-R. Students, one thing came to my mind. All of you cover your notebooks and make index before starting your work. So cover, uncover. Next, wrap. W-R-A-P, wrap. And the opposite is unwrap. Next is, now students, you have seen these 6 words: tidy, comfortable, happy, necessary, cover, wrap. To make opposite of all these words, you have added prefix un. And now these words are opposites. Tidy, let's read with me. Tidy, untidy. Comfortable, uncomfortable. Happy, unhappy. Necessary, unnecessary. Cover, uncover. Wrap, unwrap. Now let's read few more words. Here you will add this prefix and make opposite. So first word which you are going to write is honest. H-O-N-E-S-T, honest. Students, I have heard few students reading it honest. Here H sound will not come. H is silent here. You will read it honest. So the opposite is, you will add this prefix to it. Dishonest. H-O-N-E-S-T. Dishonest. Next word is agree. A-G-R-E-E, agree. Again you will add dis here and it will become disagree. Next children, next is courage. C-O-U-R-A-G-E, courage. Opposite is discourage. Yes students, courage, C-O-U-R-A-G-E, courage. You have added dis to it and it has become opposite of courage, discourage. Now students, there is less space, so I am dividing my board here. You need not to divide your notebook. You will write below this number 10. So below 9 you will write down number 10. Now 10th word is satisfied. Satisfied. Opposite is dissatisfied. This you will add dissatisfied. Next word is like. Like, opposite is dislike. Next is obedient. You all are my obedient children. So that is why last word is obedient. And the opposite is disobedient. Obedient. D-I-E-N-T. Disobedient. So now we have written today 12 opposites. 6 words we have added un, and in another 6 words we have added prefix dis. So now let's revise. First word is tidy. Opposite untidy. Follow me children. Comfortable, uncomfortable, happy, unhappy, necessary, unnecessary, cover, uncover, wrap, unwrap, honest, dishonest, agree, disagree, courage, discourage. Next is satisfied, dissatisfied, like, dislike, obedient, disobedient. Students, all these words you will find in your book. It is on page number 18. Now you will fill the prefix in your book and you will write down all these in your notebook. Yes students, I hope you all have written opposites. If you have not written, you have missed out any word. So I will send you the pic of that. Okay, don't worry. Now let's do exercise number 8, page number 18, the same page. It's above this exercise, above the exercise of opposites. Now, this is I am reading for you. Add rhyming words to each row. You can see row is given, total 8 rows are there. In each row, a word is given in the beginning and after that, few blanks are there. You have to add rhyming word. Now what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words which repeat the same sound. So repetition of same sound like plate, ate, late. Okay. So now I hope you understood what are rhyming words. Now let's start now. First one is, children, I hope you all are having your book in your hand. Page number 18 it is. So first one I am reading for you. Plate, ate, last blank is given. Yes, just pick up one rhyming word. I am writing here. You can side by side note down in your book and fill this exercise. Plate, ate, what is the rhyming word? Write down late. Now children, second one, the word is more. Now here for you one more rhyming word is given, that is 4. Now next you have to find out more, 4, what is the rhyming word? Door. If any other word comes to your mind which rhymes these words, you can write down those words also. Now next word is given, those. Third number is those. Now one rhyming word is already written there, those, goes. And what I have selected for you, that is rose. You all are rose, red flowers. So rose. Now students, let's see the fourth one. The word is need. Now here see, no rhyming word is given. You have to find out two more words which rhyme these words. So the word which came to my mind is need, feed. If any other word comes to your mind which rhymes this word, you can write that. Need, feed, deed. Next children, fifth is done. Now the word which rhyme this word is done, gun. You see same sound comes in the end, and bun. Next is sixth. The word is ground. So now ground, rhyming word you have to find out for this. Ground, pound, P-O-U-N-D, pound. Now another word, sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound. Next is bind, B-I-N-D, bind. Now you have to write two more rhyming words for this word. So bind, mind. Bind, mind, M-I-N-D, mind. And another word which came to my mind is grind, G-R-I-N-D, grind. Next children, eighth word is guess, G-U-E-S-S, guess. Now two more rhyming words you have to write for this. So first is guess, this word which is already written there. So you don't have to write guess. It is already there. We have to write rhyming word for this. So it is chess. And another word is less. So now you have seen that we have written rhyming words. So I am reading for you. You can also repeat with me. Follow me children. First is plate, ate, late. Next, more, for, door. Next, dose, goes, rose. Next, need, feed, deed. Next, done. The words are gun, bun. Next is ground. The similar sound words are pound, sound. Next is bind. Rhyming words are mind, grind. Next, guess. And the rhyming words are chess and less. So students, today we have done two exercises which are given on page number 18. One is of opposites and the second exercise which we have done, it is of rhyming words. Now students, the exercise which we have done earlier, that is opposites. Those opposites you will write in your fair notebook, and these rhyming words need not to write in your fair notebook. You will fill these words in your book. So page number 18 it is, and if you have not opened your book till now, you can pause my video, you can watch it again. So sit with your book, page number 18, and from there you have missed, you can watch this again and fill your exercise. Now in question answers and opposites and rhyming words, if you have missed anything, I'll send you the pic of it. So students, stay safe at home, complete your work and have a good day.